and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I have a super exciting video, and this is part 2 to my previous video, and I'll be giving my sister the slime package that I made in my last video. I can't wait to see her reaction, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Right over here is my sister,
Sarah. Hi guys, I have a channel called It's Sarah, by the way.
It will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure to check out her channel.
Yeah.
So right over here, I'm gonna give her the slime package.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so excited to open this. It's actually a pretty large box. Right over here, I have some scissors and I'm just gonna open it. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it from here. It smells so delicious. This looks so pretty. There's some packing peanuts in here. Ooh, so here we have the business card. Looks super fancy. Purple Laffy Taffy, that's my favorite flavor. And a borax baggie, super cute. I love it. Over here we have.
Before we get into my sister reviewing the slimes, I just wanted to mention that the slime that I'm giving her is a DIY cupcake slime, and the slime has 3 parts. If you have not seen the first part where I make this whole box, make sure to go check it out. It will be linked down below in the description box. If you don't watch part 1, you'll be super confused, so make sure to watch it.
Over here we have this slime. Oh my gosh, it comes with a nice neon pink clear slime with these super cute confetti sprinkles. And so next we have pink and a light pink slime. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do this. I am so obsessed with this. That's the frosting part.
That's it for the slimes. And now there's a bunch of extras hidden in this package, so go ahead.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh, so I got these Hello Panda with Nutella inside, chocolate inside. Oh, my favorite candy. Oh my gosh, I love these squishies. I think I'll open them a little bit later. This Elmer School Glue. Then we got a fruit roll. Yeah, the silly hands. M&M's, I love M&M's. They're one of my favorite candy. Oh my gosh, a happy birthday card. Thank you so much. Guys, look how much stuff she gave me. Thank you so much. This is so amazing. I love this. Now we're going to put aside all the amazing extras and then we'll finally review the slime. Here we have the DIY birthday cake cupcake. So I'm gonna untape this with the nice neon pink clear slime.
Yeah, that's the syrup, so it will go on top of the frosting.
And then I'm pretty sure we put the sprinkles on top after that.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's open the slime.
So that is the base slime. It is a thick and glossy slime.
Oh my gosh, I love eating glossy slimes. They're my favorite slime, by the way.
And they have confetti sprinkles in it.
Oh my gosh, I am already in love with this texture. Oh, this is such a big slime. Oh, it's really glossy. And it has It's so thick and crunchy and glossy. By the way, I love the confetti sprinkles that she added it. It gives it such a nice touch. I am in love with the base. I feel like this cupcake is going to be amazing. And now we're going to put this in.
And then swirl this frosting on top.
Oh, by the way, I love the marble effect. Here we have this pink butter slime. It smells exactly like strawberries. I am in love with the scent. Okay, now we're going to swirl it on top of the base.
And by the way, this smells like vanilla. Did you smell it?
Okay, you have awesome scents. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so cute. Wow, amazing. We are going to add the nice neon clear slime. By the way, I'm literally obsessed with the color. It's so pretty. Right over here, we have the strawberry syrup. It's super holdable, and it doesn't have a scent to preserve the clearness. So yeah, now we're going to put it on top of the slime. Drizzle on top. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try to do this. Alright, you guys, so I kind of drizzle on top. This is really nice, and guys, this looks so pretty. I am just in love with this. So pretty. And guys, now we're going to add the sprinkles. These are super cute confetti sprinkles. I love them. So now we're going to just sprinkle it on top. This looks absolutely gorgeous.
Candle on top.
Oh yes, and it's yellow so it fits with the slime. Guys, Guys, okay, I am in love. This is literally my favorite slime. Like, just look at this beauty. Okay, now, I wish I could light it, but whatever. Okay, now we're going to mix it in. So happy, you guys can't believe it. It smells exactly like a cupcake. It smells so good. I'm in love with the scent. So now I'm going to mix it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look, I love this. Okay, let's make a swirl. Oh, guys, I've always dreamed of a DIY slime, and this is gonna be literally my favorite DIY slime ever.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty, and like the marble effect is so nice, and like the sprinkles gives it such a nice touch. Super glossy, and I literally can't wait for the final result because I feel like it's gonna be like awesome. And all these add-ins are so beautiful. Like literally, this is the perfect DIY slime. Oh guys, so the end color is like this peachy color, which is actually a really pretty color. So the slime is like thick, and it's kind of like a sleigh slime. You can kind of feel that like buttery texture. Guys, once you mix in all the scents, it literally smells amazing. By the way, I'm pretty sure the slime like inflates, and I love inflating slimes. Also, this color is like reminds me of like peaches, and I just love this slime so much. It's really creamy, smooth, and it's like super fun to play with.
Yeah, and it like inflated a bit, so now it's like fluffy.
Yeah, and like, yeah, I don't know what to say. Like, it's so nice. I love it. Okay, so overall, you guys, I'm definitely rating this like literally like 100 out of 10. It's just like awesome. It's like this can't get any better. Like I just love it. Plus, also there's these pink glitters in it, which also had like such a nice like effect to it, even though they're super small. But the slime is super crunchy. It's literally my favorite slime. So now let me just do some nice slime ASMR.
And just before you do the ASMR, sit a bit. It becomes a little bit glossy on top.
Oh yeah, I actually didn't notice that. Makes awesome swirls. I'm going to be opening these super cute squishies.
And yeah, this was the extra in the slime package.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's like super cute kitty. Oh, it's so nice to squish. Both of the squishies, we also got this nicely cute koala, like bear. Oh, they're made with like silicone. They're super cute. I love the pastel color. Just look how cute this looks. And like the pinky ears. I love this. All right, so overall, you guys, I'm going to thank my sister Rachel, or Sweet Slimes, for this amazing DIY slime. It is just the best. I literally love it. All of these amazing extras, like glue, the slime is awesome. The candle on top, like I would have never thought of that. This lady string, like it's awesome. It can't get any better. I love this. Thank you so much. I'm so happy, and I will literally play with the slime every single day.
You're welcome, and happy birthday once again.
Yes, thank you.
So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Also, make sure to check out my sister's channel, and it'll be linked down below in the description box, and make sure to wish her happy birthday in the comments.
Thank you.
So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video.